Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Sonos speakers using app and Trueplay reset detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the restoration process of your Sonos speakers, ensure that they are plugged in and powered on. Open the Sonos app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is opened, navigate to the Settings tab located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select System from the list of options presented. Locate the speaker you wish to restore in the list of devices. Tap on the speaker to access its settings. Scroll down and select the option labeled Remove Device. Confirm your choice to remove the speaker from your Sonos system. Once the speaker is removed, proceed to the Trueplay reset by holding down the Connect button on the back of the speaker. While holding the button, unplug the power cord and wait for a few seconds. Replug the power cord while still holding the Connect button. Continue holding the button until the light on the speaker flashes orange and white. This indicates that the speaker is in setup mode. Return to the Sonos app and tap on Add Product. Follow the on-screen prompts to reconnect your speaker to your Sonos system. Once connected, you'll see your speaker in the app once again. To perform Trueplay tuning, select the speaker and navigate to Trueplay. Follow the app's instructions to tune your speaker for optimal sound based on your room's acoustics. After completing tuning, enjoy your restored Sonos speakers with improved sound quality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.